Assalamualaikum. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to share my silver play button unboxing and the celebration I did. So I did the celebration at home. I decorated my room with some lights and balloons. After receiving my silver play button, I did my party the very next day because I could not wait to open it. I did a small celebration where I invited my friend, cousins and family. The fun fact that my room is grey and the silver play button matches so nicely. So now let's do the unboxing for you guys. When I first time unboxed my silver play button, my heart was beating so fast and I was so nervous and excited at the same time. It was a dream come true moment for me. So YouTube gave me a cute little note. एंड देयर इज़ माई सिल्वर प्ले बटन. गाइस ये असल में इतना प्यारा है. मैंने शुरू से हमेशा से यूट्यूब की किसी वीडियोस में ही देखा है, कभी भी रियल लाइफ में नहीं देखा. एंड ट्रस्ट मी गाइस, इट इज़ सो ब्यूटिफुल. एंड इसके ऊपर मैंने अपना नाम लिखवाया है, रहीमा नदीम. मैंने अपने चैनल का नाम नहीं लिखवाया. So guys, that was the unboxing. I really want to thank each one of you who subscribed my channel, and I received my silver play button just because of you guys. Thank you so much. I started my YouTube channel in 2017. It has been a long journey in which I did lose hope and much more. If you guys want to know my YouTube journey, how I reach 100k, let me know in the comments section. So guys, that's it. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Allah Hafiz.